Things just breaking down here to a hockey fight. Reversal there by the timeless love bombs. Babes, sidestep, and Harley. Pair of boots, one for each, Toni and Mina.
Look at Harley go down on the floor after him. How about that aggression, Brian?
Yeah, Harley did a great job going and holding Mina and Toni Storm so that Willow could dive onto them.
Mina Shirakawa turns things around on Willow, the DDT off the ropes. And remember, we could have a new champion crowned in our main event.
Sure, absolutely.
Samoa Joe, Eddie Kingston for the AEW Men's World Championship. But right now, Toni Storm, legal for the love bombs and Mongolian chops delivered after the drop kicks. Meeting the minds there for Harley and Willow. And now Toni Storm going to work. DDT.
Toni Storm is just so talented.
Such a difference maker, Brian, is coming up for Harley Cameron. We could see new champions crowned. Harley slips behind.
Oh! That's her finishing move! But she makes a tag!
As Willow, the baby.